If you're looking for a way to use gold and silver for reliable income streams in retirement, you're in the right place. In today's uncertain financial environment, many retirees are turning to precious metals like gold and silver, not just as a hedge against inflation, but as a way to create steady, reliable income streams. Let me show you how gold and silver can help protect and grow your retirement wealth, especially if you're serious about securing your financial future in the next 2 weeks. But before we dive in, if you're looking for a comprehensive guide on why so many Americans are opening gold IRAs to safeguard their wealth, click the first link in the description. You'll get a free guide that could make a huge difference in your retirement planning. So, why gold and silver? The value of precious metals has historically stood the test of time. Unlike stocks or bonds, they're not tied to market fluctuations or dependent on any one company's performance. Gold and silver have been considered safe haven assets for centuries, and with inflation on the rise and the value of the dollar facing uncertainty, they're more relevant than ever for retirees looking to diversify. One of the best ways to use gold and silver for income streams in retirement is by setting up a gold IRA. A gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold or silver in a tax-deferred account, just like a traditional IRA. But instead of stocks or bonds, your assets are tied to the value of precious metals. This means you could potentially benefit from the long-term appreciation of gold and silver, all while protecting your wealth from inflation and market volatility. Now, I know some people may be hesitant. You might be thinking, but what about dividends from stocks or interest from bonds? Here's the thing. While traditional investment vehicles like stocks and bonds can offer income through dividends and interest, they can also be unpredictable. A market downturn can wipe out years of gains. With a gold IRA, however, you're adding a layer of stability because you're investing in something that has always held value. But gold and silver aren't just about long-term wealth preservation. There are ways to generate income through them. One strategy is by holding gold or silver in a precious metals IRA that's backed by bullion or coins. As their value increases, you're not only safeguarding your wealth, but also setting yourself up for potential capital gains down the line. Another option is through gold and silver mining stocks or ETFs. While not as stable as owning physical gold or silver, these can still provide some income through dividends and share price appreciation. However, they come with a level of risk because their value is linked to the company's performance rather than the inherent value of the precious metals themselves. Now, why am I recommending gold IRAs over these other methods? Simply put, gold IRAs give you control over the underlying assets. They allow you to invest in physical gold and silver, meaning you're directly tied to the value of those metals, not a stock or bond that could lose value overnight. Plus, they offer tax advantages, and with a reputable gold IRA company, you can ensure your precious metals are securely stored, giving you peace of mind for your retirement years. If you're looking to open a gold IRA or learn more, click the link in the description below to get your free guide. This guide is perfect for retirees who have 100K plus in their IRA or 401K, or even if you've got 5 million plus in savings. You'll find out why thousands of Americans are making the switch to gold IRAs to secure their financial future and how you can start the process today. The bottom line is that using gold and silver in your retirement strategy isn't just a safety net. It's a proactive step to ensure that your wealth not only stays protected, but also grows steadily over time. You can achieve peace of mind knowing that no matter what happens with the economy, your retirement savings are backed by something tangible and enduring. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, don't wait another day. Click the link in the description and get your free guide now. Whether you're just starting to think about retirement or you've been planning for years, a gold IRA can be a game changer for your financial future.